One highlight is knowing that I take a little part in surgery. The patient is the most important part of my job, is thinking that I want their recovery time to be as quick and painless as possible. And I think with good sharp instruments and a qualified surgeon, nobody should have any issues. When you work for b.braun, you're working at a top-notch company. You're working the best of the best. And that's why I would phrase it as first class. I'm Johnathan Apgar. I've been at b.braun for 10 years. I'm a mobile repair technician. My job consists of taking my van to the hospital, going to the sterile processing department, picking up sets, and then bringing them out to my workshop, going through them, inspecting, repairing, cleaning, assembling, and bringing them back to the hospital. The feeling is very unique. It's taking something that is broken or not working anymore and using your hands and some hand files to bring that instrument back into working condition. And when you test it and it's testing really good and it's cutting very good, it's a great feeling to know that you took something that was broke and now you know in surgery it's gonna perform. The number one question I get is, oh, so you sharpen scalpels? Always. And we don't sharpen scalpels. They're replaceable like a razor blade. The company itself takes a lot of pride in their manufacturing. And I think when it comes to technicians, to people that work on the docks, to anybody, everybody takes great pride in their work. They want nothing but the best. And what the best is for the patient, making sure that their implant arrives on time, making sure that instrument is coming on time. b.braun's not a job, it's a career. Because once you're here, you're never going anywhere. There's opportunity to move up and down in the company, to move around. If you wanted to do repairs or if you wanted to be a salesperson, there's the opportunity to move around. b.braun is a good employee because they remember the special times. They'll send you a birthday card every year. They'll send you an anniversary card. And those little things, believe it or not, mean a lot to me. If he was looking for a job and he was good with his hands and he seemed like a good person, I would say once again that I feel that this job isn't a job, it's a career move. You're not just here for a job, you're here for life.